Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a premium, ultra-quiet air purifier that's trusted for allergies, odors, and chemical pollutants, and also looks elegant in your home, this one is absolutely worth your attention. This is the Rabbit Air MinusA2 SPA-780A air purifier, designed for large rooms and built to handle serious air quality problems like allergies, dust, mold, smoke, pet odors, and VOCs. One of the standout features of the MinusA2 is its slim, wall-mountable design. You can hang it like a piece of wall art or place it on the floor, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, clinics, or offices where space matters. At the core is a 6-stage filtration system, including a true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns. This includes pollen, pet dander, mold spores, bacteria, and fine dust, key triggers for asthma and allergic rhinitis. This specific model comes with the Odor Remover Filter, which is specially designed to eliminate strong smells, pet odors, cooking fumes, smoke, and VOCs. It's an excellent choice for homes with pets, smokers, or persistent household odors. Despite its powerful filtration, the Rabbit Air MinusA2 is exceptionally quiet. In sleep mode, it operates at near-silent levels, making it ideal for bedrooms and nighttime use without disturbing sleep. The purifier also includes smart sensors and automatic mode, adjusting airflow based on real-time air quality. You get continuous protection without needing to manually change settings. With its clean white finish, hospital-grade filtration, and whisper-quiet operation, the Rabbit Air MinusA2 is built for people who want maximum air purity with minimal noise and visual clutter. If you're serious about breathing cleaner air every day, check the buy link below. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews, and grab this purifier today if fresh, odor-free air is a priority in your home.